Come everyone, gather round. Listen to the legend of the land we stand upon. On the southern coast of Singapore, there lies an ancient island. It has grown from fishing town to battle fortress, morphing through the endless cascade of time. This island is now a magical place for anyone to experience boundless adventures. This is the story of Sentosa.
Separated from Singapore by the swirling waters of Keppel Harbour, we had to cross the ocean on ferries to get to Sentosa. It was like travelling across the high seas in search of undiscovered shores. Many of us remember scampering onto the boats like we were going on a holiday, a voyage to a brand new land. Our clothes fluttering in the sea breeze, we looked out across the blue to catch a glimpse of the island from afar. As we evolved, we traded the salty ocean spray of the ferries for other means of transport. We could choose to float across the harbour on steel strings atop the cable cars, high above the seas, or we could take the monorail and gaze at this emerald island from along the treetops, cruising through the island and taking in the gorgeous scenery. From a trickle to a stream, Sentosa grew more and more connected to the mainland. Now, we could access the island with complete freedom, be it by bus, car, bicycle, or even by foot. The hustle and bustle flowed from the city to this island's sandy shores. More and more people began to flock to sun-soaked Sentosa, imbuing its atmosphere with happiness and excitement. The island's soul.
Destination for celebration, this little island is always filled to the brim with laughter and cheer. Unforgettable memories have been forged along its golden beaches or deep within its lush forests.
Amidst the fun and adventure, there is much to learn from this place. Standing as a monument to our past, Sentosa holds the whispers and secrets of times long gone. It is a tether to our history, rich with the echoes of what we used to be. While we continue to venture forward, we must never forget where we came from. paradise is also home to nature's secrets. Find friends deep under the blanket of blue darting through the oceans, or catch their colorful coats amongst the green and gold of the land. The wilderness is chock full of these hidden gems. Countless creatures can be found in every nook and cranny of the jungles and waters of Sentosa. They are the priceless treasures found on this beautiful island. We must preserve them for the generations to come. The future of this island depends on it. In just 50 years, this island has grown into a tapestry of myriad experiences, from gastronomical delights to other unforgettable forms of entertainment. So many people have come together to build this wonderland, to create one Sentosa experience. In a constant state of evolution, Sentosa has gone through countless transformations. There is so much to discover about this place. The path before us remains full of endless possibilities. Whatever happens next, one thing is certain. This island is, and always will be, a part of our home. We will continue to grow, to evolve, blazing forward with hope and excitement. New adventures await, discovery never ending.